turn your $100 to 300 or 400 or $500. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn your $100 to $500 or $400 with just one trade. We are in link USDT perpetual and we have already made money from it, so you can come and have a look. You can come and see what I'm talking about. So this is the current trade here. You can look at it. This is the current trade. This is your chart section. You can see people are making money. This is the chart section. You can see this is it, everything. So I'm going to show you how to turn your $100 into $500 or $300. So you can see everything on my phone. You can see here we have link USDT perpetual currently ongoing. This several times with my smartphone. So I'm going to show you how to turn your $100 to $400 or $500 with just one trade. You have to follow my instructions, because I'm going to be showing you risk management, how to calculate your position, how to select the coin, and also how to enter the trade. You can see I'm on my Binance dashboard. You can also use this on Qcoin. You can use it on Bybit or Kraken, any exchange of your choice. You can use it. First thing first, you need to deposit $100 to your Binance Futures wallet. Once you deposit the $100, you can see this place at the right hand side corner. You make sure you select market orders. We are going to be using market orders. If it's on your smartphone too, you are going to select market on your smartphone. Okay, for the this in leverage, make sure you use maximum leverage and also cross margin. We call here the order book because it contains the buyers and sellers. The buyers being those who are under here, green part, and the sellers being those who are up there. So just follow my instructions so that you can turn your $100 to $400 or $500 with just one trade. If you are not in my free Telegram group, you can click the first link below to join. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friend. And at the end, if you have any questions for me, just comment down below so that I can help you solve your problem. So what you want to do is you want to first deposit the money to your Binance by just clicking here. So you can transfer money from your spot wallet or your funding wallet. For me, I have already done that, which is nice. Then the next thing that we want to do is we'll go to a website called CoinMarketCap. So when you are on CoinMarketCap, just make sure you go to the trending section. Okay, so when you go to the trending section, click on more. Okay, so when you click on more, they are going to tell you coins that are currently trending, coins that people are currently trading. So what I usually do is I'll just scroll through. You can select any coin from this section, but when you select the coin, make sure the coin is traded on Binance, Bybit, and also KuCoin. Make sure the coin is listed. That means they have added it to Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin. So let's just try with link. So we can click on link here. Okay, so when we click on link, okay, then we are going to click on the market section. So we click on the market section here. Okay, so when we click on the market section, we can see link is listed on Binance. It's also listed on Coinbase, KuCoin, and Kraken. We also have it on Bitmart. So what we want to do next is we'll go to a website called TradingView and we'll calculate our position size. But before you even do that, make sure you look at the fundamentals. So when we look at the fundamentals at the right hand side, we can see that Chainlink is in a bullish phase. People are currently investing in Chainlink. You can see it started with 13 around 8 series. We started buying it around 8 series and now it's currently at $14.6. So you can see Chainlink. People are currently bullish on Chainlink. So what you want to do is you now go to this particular website called TradingView. So when you are on TradingView, just click on the left hand side. Then when you click on the left hand side, you are going to change the pair to link. So just type in link link.p. Have you seen it? You type link.p. So if you are trading on Bybit, you select Bybit. If you are trading on Binance, select Binance. If you are trading on Bitget or OKX or Mexec, Kraken, just select any exchange that you are using. So for me, I am trading on Binance, so I'll just click here, then I'll select Binance here. Okay, so once we select Binance, this is the trading chart for link. So this was the last trade that we took. The first trade went well, then the second but last, it hit our third TP and reverse, which is normal. So anytime that we are in profit, I usually tell my students to set in what do we call it, move their stop loss to entry so that they can cash out big time. So when we move our stop loss to entry and we are able to hit the first TP, we'll move our stop loss to take the second TP. So right now, looking at the chart for link, we can see we are in a bullish trend. Just here that we have a range market. When I say range market, means it's not either going up or going down. So what we want to do is to click here. So this place is the resistance zone. You can see 1, 2, 3 touches. That's the resistance zone. Then we have the down part to being the support level. So this is the support level here. Okay, so if the price moves here, that's the zinc. Then comes to the wall tiles, the floor here, move up to the zinc again, come back to the floor, move up to the zinc, come back to the floor with a little bit of push up. Now it's going back to the zinc. So we can decide to enter a long position here and calculate our stop loss to entry. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take a long position. So for taking a long position, I'll click on this positions calculator here. Then I'll click it here, add it to the entry section. Then I'll go for 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this is what is going to happen here. Okay, because we are interested in making huge amount, we need to raise more. So we can increase it to the nearest resistance zone, that's around here. That's 1.3 risk reward ratio. So we can put our stop loss around here. So now we are going to risk about 40% of our account balance. If not, we are not going to make that amount. So you enter the amount that you have in your Binance. So if you have $100, just enter the $100. Then the risk, you make it 40%. So the risk is supposed to be 40% here. So this is our entry, 14.556. Then we have our take profit, which is around 16.62. So all these numbers, you need to write it down. You need to have a jotter or a journal so that you can type in every trade that you take in a day. It's very important. So I'll just click on OK here. So when I click on OK, we are supposed to enter 62.79 into our Binance Futures wallet. So we'll go back to Binance here. So when we go back to Binance, let's use the position size calculator. So we are going to click on the right hand side corner on the order box. On the order box here. So the order box shows how we are going to buy the pair. So we click on the calculator section. So when we click on the calculator section, we are going to trade link. So we'll click on BTC, then we'll change it to link. Then when you change it to link, you go for link USDT perpetual section. Remember, what we are doing is high risk. So we go for maximum leverage, which is 75x. So when we are on 75x, now our entry, so we'll go back to trading view here, double click. So when we double click, we copy these numbers, then 14.556. So we go back to our Binance here. So we have 14.556. Then we'll have our exit. So first of all, we need to enter our stop loss so that we can know how much we are risking. So our exit is 13.919. So our exit is 13.919. So we have 13.919. Then we can now use the quantity. So the quantity is 62 So we have 62 here, 62 point what? 62.7. So we have 62.7. So we'll now click on calculate. Okay, so when we click on calculate, we are going to risk, let's say the calculator didn't do it well, we have to go and do it again. So let's try it again. Let me use the calculator again, guys. It's like this. Okay, so go and do it again. Let's enter our amount here. So if the calculator is not working, we can use the Google search. So 40% of 100 is $40, right? So we are supposed to, so let's click on okay. The PNL calculator is not working. Okay, so let's see what we are going to do here. So we go for 40% of 100 of our account. Okay, so let's say we are going for 40%. Let's see how much we are risking here if we are using 300. Okay, so if we are using 300, okay, so if we go for, let's say 1,000, so 1,000, we are going to risk $43, right? So $43, that means we are risking. So let's change it to our take profit. So now we have our take profit to be around 16.616. So our take profit is around 16.616. 16.616. Now we'll click on OK. So we have just increased it to $141. So if the trade goes in our favor, we are going to make $141. But remember our leverage. So usually the leverage amplifies everything for you. But if the trade goes against us, we are also going to lose $43. I only do this when I know I am going to risk like half of my account balance. So this is not trading. Real trading is you risk 1%, 2% on A plus setup. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'm just going to take the trade here. So what I'll do is I'll increase here and make it so let's say 40%. So 40%, we are trading link. So we check for link here. So we check for link. So let's check for. So you make sure you use link, okay? Perpetual. So always select the ones with the perpetuals. So now what we want to do is we drag this position size. Look at what I'm doing at the right hand side. That's the position size. Okay, so I'll go for 40%. So 40% is the cost to be $26, right? So we can go more, $32. Then we'll now enter our stop loss. So we know our stop loss to be 13 point what? So our stop loss is 13.907. So our stop loss is 13.907. Then we'll have our take profit to be 16.616. So our take profit is 16.616. 16.616. Then we'll go for buy order. So when we go for buy order here, it will appear at the positions level here. So this is where you know how much you are making. The PNL shows how much you are making on the trade. For now, we have already lost $2. Link moves very fast, so you need to be patient. So this is our margin level. That's what I'm saying. If you enter a trade and your margin level here is more than 10%, close the trade and you enter. You can see my margin is 12.56%. So this is, I'm down minus $2. Okay, so this is how you turn $100 to $400 or $500 in one trade. So I'll keep you guys updated. You can click on this Bluetooth share button to share your results with your friends. So just give it some 2 to 5 hours. Right now the time is around 5 8:52 p.m. This thing early morning Ghana time. So around 8 o'clock, the landing session will open. Usually, when the landing session open, it gives volume to the market. So we need to be patient and wait for that particular time to come. So this is how you do it. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So if you want to close the trade, you just click on the market section. Okay, we have the market section around here. Okay, so you click here. So when you just click on it, you can close the trade. You can click here to add more details to the position. So if you click on open orders, so the open orders shows the stop loss where you want to exit the trade if it doesn't go in your favor. Then we have the this thing. Okay, let's see the take profit, which shows where you want to exit the market if the trade goes in your favor. So you can see how much you are making on a trade on the unrealized P&L bar at the right hand side. Look at where I am here. So when you enter the trade and this particular meter is in yellow or red, just close the trade and re-enter again. Okay.